Nowadays, sports car manufacturers have a lot more product lineup than ever. Some supercar companies have different categories, and in those categories, they also have different type of models. So yeah, the product lineup of the supercar companies become more confusing day by day. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about McLaren Automotive Company and how their product lineup works. At first, they have the entry level category called GT or Grand Tourer. In this category as of now, they only have one model, the McLaren GT, which has a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that can generate 612 horsepower and 630 Newton meters of torque. This Grand Tourer can do 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in 3.1 second and tops out at 203 miles per hour or 326 kilometers per hour. Then they have the mid category called the supercars. In this category, they have 4 models. First model is the McLaren Artura. It has a 3-liter twin-turbo hybrid V6 that makes 680 horsepower and 530 pound-feet of torque. This car can do 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in 3 seconds and has a top speed of 330 kilometers per hour. You can watch the detailed video of the McLaren Artura. Just click the pop-out banner from the top right-hand corner of your screen. The second and third model in this category are the McLaren 720S and 720S Spider. They both have a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that makes 710 horsepower and 770 Newton meters of torque. They both can go 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and tops out at 341 kilometers per hour or 212 miles per hour. The fourth model of this category is the extreme track focused variant of the 720S called the 765 LT. Side note, the LT stands for long tail. Powered by a same power plant as the 720S, this makes 755 horsepower, 45 horsepower more than the regular model and almost 800 Newton meters of torque. This car can do 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds and has a top speed of 336 kilometers per hour or 205 miles per hour. Slightly lower top speed as it has more downforce for optimum track performance. Finally, they have the top category called the Ultimate. In this category, they also have 4 models. First model is the McLaren Elva. This is the road legal Can-Am car with no roof and even no windscreen. Only 149 units in the world, this speedster has a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that makes 804 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. This car can do 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds and has a top speed of 328 kilometers per hour. The second and third model are the McLaren Senna and the Senna GTR. The Senna makes 789 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque from a 4-liter twin-turbo V8. It can do 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds and has a top speed of 340 kilometers per hour or 208 miles per hour. The Senna GTR is the track-focused variant of the McLaren Senna. This also powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that makes 814 horsepower, 25 more than the regular Senna. This car can do 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds and tops out at 200 miles per hour or 328 kilometers per hour. The final car of this list is the McLaren Speedtail. This is the ultimate McLaren that money can buy. Powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, this car makes 746 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This hypercar can do 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and has a top speed of 402 kilometers per hour or 250 miles per hour. So this is it, the product lineup of the McLaren Automotive Company. If you enjoy this type of video, then please consider subscribing. Also please comment down below which is your favorite McLaren model. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care guys. Goodbye.